एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल राउंडर। और मैं आज आपको नॉन अकेडमिक में कुछ नहीं बताने वाला। आज हम थोड़ा सा अकेडमिक की तरफ चलने वाले हैं और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ट्राइग्नोमेट्री। मैं आपको ट्राइग्नोमेट्री का बेस समझाऊंगा और जो बेस है उसमें बहुत टॉपिक्स है, बट वी विल टेक 2 टॉपिक्स टुडे। सो लेट्स मूव टू आवर वाइट बोर्ड फर्स्ट. The whiteboard that I will use is whiteboard.fi. This is a good whiteboard. So let's move to our whiteboard. So guys, in trigonometry there are 3 things, and from these 3 things 6 things are made. So first is sine theta. Sorry guys, I made it wrong. So guys, it is sine theta, then it is cos theta, and the next is tan theta. So guys, there are formulas of these 3 things, so let's move to our formulas also. So we will move. Just guys, 1 minute. Yes guys, so first you have to learn the formulas. So for the formulas you have to learn the one thing. First thing is P B P line in fraction you write H H B. So guys, the full form of this is Pandit Badri Pal Har Har Bhole. So guys, I will repeat again. Pandit Badri Pal Har Har Bhole. So guys, the first section P and H is of sine theta, and the second of cos theta, and third respectively of tan theta. Guys, sorry, I made a theta sign wrong. So now guys, we will write the formulas over here. First I will write in small P B P H H B is equals to sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon height. Cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Sorry guys, I told this as height, but this is hypotenuse. And tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So, and the first thing you need to understand is this trigonometry is used in this triangle only, that is named as right angle triangle. So we will take an example like this angle is given as sin theta, and we need to find this angle, and done, and this is given. No, guys, I want to take this topic in the next class. The third base topic now. I will tell you unit circle definition. Okay, so oh sorry, I forgot one thing that I'm going to tell you that which is hypotenuse. I know all of you would be knowing, but recap is also important. This side is hypotenuse, and the side that is down to the hypotenuse is known as adjacent. Oh, wait, guys, I will tell you. That's adjacent, or you can call it as base also, and this is perpendicular or altitude, and the we have to find the sin theta as angle, not as the height. Okay, so let's move to next topic, that is unit circle definition. So I will make a circle first, then like this. Oh wait, okay, so now I will cut a line over here. There is no line option, so I have to draw it only. So guys, here in the circle definition, and in the circle definition we are going to take this as this. First we'll draw a right angle triangle, and this will take as theta, this angle as theta, and this is 1, and this is x and y, and this is y, and this is x, and these are lines, not line segments, and this is x. So over here now we will gonna write the formulas, guys, and I've forgotten to told you one formulas. So so guys, I told you that there are 6 things. So sin, cos, tan. So sorry, tan, it's wrong. I'll make tan again. So guys, tan, and I told you that from these 3 things 6 things are made. So we will divide a partition, then when we reciprocal, the sin becomes cosec, the cos becomes sec. Wait, I will give partitions that it will be more clear. So this cos will become sec, and this tan will become cot. And you know guys, what's the formula? The like sin we wrote that p b p h h b. So I told that perpendicular upon hypotenuse is then. So like we wrote here, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So you know that reciprocal becomes opposite, so we will write as h hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So these are the reciprocal formulas. Okay, I think it will be clear, like base upon hypotenuse. And guys, my writing is little bit very bad, not little bit also, it's very bad. So now in the sec it will become h upon b. And wait, I will give you example, like you write that 25 divided by 9 is equals to, no, I will give you a equation like in percent I will tell you. Okay, so 20 upon 100 is equals to 90, suppose. So like now this 100 is in divide, we all know. Now by the transposing it will go here and give multiply. So like in sin cos also, like perpendicular, what I wrote, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equals to, will transpose hypotenuse from divide to multiply, and from perpendicular to multiply to divide. I hope that it will be clear. Now let's move to our unit circle and definition. Let's draw a simple small figure over here only. I think I should draw a circle over here and the triangle over here, so it will be more clear, but triangle is over here. So it is named as x and y, and this is known as xy, and this is 1. So we will write the formulas. Sin theta will become over here is y upon 1. Y upon 1 because of the formulas that I told. Oh, sorry. Yes, so we will move P, B, P, H, H, B. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here the perpendicular is this side, which is our y, and this is our hypotenuse, which is 1. So we will write y upon 1. So now let's move to, I will make partitions cos theta, and now cos theta will become x upon 1. How? As base upon hypotenuse. I know this is known as adjacent also and base also, I mentioned that. Okay, so x upon 1. Now let's move to the third, that is tan theta. Tan theta. Now the tan theta will become perpendicular upon base. So is here perpendicular upon base is equals to, perpendicular is the altitude, so it will become y upon x, as base is x, y upon x. Now this y upon x will have some values, so obviously. Now I think I don't have a need to write the formulas of cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta, as these are the reciprocals. As cosec theta will become 1 upon x, sec theta will become 1 upon x, and cot theta will become x upon y. So let's clear this all. Now guys, you can write the formulas. I will write in the description also. If you need, you write in the comments if you need the formulas. I read the comments, and I will, if I could not write in the description, I will definitely write in the comments or in the reply that the person will ask. Okay, guys, bye. Thank you.